All right, section 3.1, number 54. We are asked to find the x-intercepts of this quadratic equation 7/10 times the quadratic x squared plus 12x minus 45. All right. So what we want to do is to find our x-intercepts. Our x-intercepts are when this thing is equal to 0. So if we set it equal to 0, right? Now, this 7/10 out here is multiplying everything. So if I multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this, I'll be able to cancel that without affecting where this thing is 0. So let's do that. Multiply both sides by 10/7. 10/7 times 0 is 0. 10 over 10 cancels. These are all multiplications. This is times this thing, which is times that. 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom. We're all multiplied, so that's perfectly fine. So we're going to get 0 is x squared plus 12x minus 45. All right. So can this be factored nicely? Well, 45 is 45 times 1. Well, that's certainly not going to get us to 12. It's also 5 times 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. That's not going to quite get us there. It's going to be 15 and 3. 15 and 3, well, that probably will get us there because 15 and 3, this negative sign means that one of them is a positive and one of them is a negative. 15 minus 3 is indeed 12. So this thing can be factored at that point. So we're going to get x minus 15 plus 15, right? The larger one has to be positive. They're opposite sign. The larger one has to be positive. X minus 3. Okay? So my x-intercepts are when this is 0. X plus 15 is equal to 0, which is true. I subtract 15 from both sides. X is negative 15. Or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Positives and negatives. I add 3 to both sides. This is going to give me x is equal to 3. And those are my two x-intercepts. That 7/10 didn't impact anything. All that's going to do is it's going to scale it up and down. But 0, you know, it's 0 is already 0. You can't squish 0 any closer to 0. So it doesn't move the zeros at all. So we don't need it.